and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the February 2025 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our collection kits. It comes with 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll also have access to this free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our subscribers, and this month is this awesome postage stamp one with the rose and then the Valentine in the center of the other one, so it's perfect for this month's collection of Echo Park's Valentine's Day. You also have access to 2 recipe cards, so these are for double page layouts with all the instructions for cutting and assembly and the color photograph of the finished layout designed by our design team. So be sure to grab all of those freebies. This month our 2 collections is Echo Park Valentine's Day and Photoplay Paper Music Notes. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. So starting with Valentine's Day from Echo Park, you're going to get 2 sheets of black cardstock and 1 sheet of maraschino. Then for your pattern paper, you have this beautiful bouquet of florals. The back is a white heart on pink. That paper is called Sweet Floral. And then we have a little vine floral in the pink and the red with a pink polka dot on the back, the red background. We have arrows in the pink and the red and little black hearts sprinkled throughout. And then we have sketched out hearts on white with black. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you'll get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So it has this large scalloped floral border. Love the little double banner here. We have the bicycle built for 2, the little camera and the typewriter. So many cute icons. Look at those little heart cookies in your coffee mug. So that is Valentine's Day from Echo Park. Our second collection is from Photoplay Paper, and this is music notes. So this is perfect if you have kids in band or choir or anything like that. Also going to concerts, anything musical. I think of music in the park and all of that would be great for this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of Yukon Gold. Your pattern paper is this one, the Staccato, which has the words, music words, and the notes. This one is like a music sheet of notes, kind of that burnt sienna brown. This paper is called Sharp Color, and it has the plaid and all of the different colors, and then music notes on black. And then we have this one that is a super fun pattern. This paper is called Sing, and the back has music notes on the turquoisey green. So one more look at the patterned papers. And then also for this one, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This one is a matte finish, so I really like this. We have all of these little word labels down here. Hope your birthday is a hit, so you can make some great cards. We have a border of the music notes, lots of words that you could use for titles, and then all the different instruments. So that is music notes from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store as well as individual products. It's just jam-packed full and you can have it all shipped together with no additional cost, so that's a great deal. So we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.